Right, here we are at JEC World 2024, and on my left right here is the Startup Booster area, all about big ideas in the composite industry. We've got 20 startups, 20 big ideas, 20 finalists of the Startup Booster competition, and over the last couple of days there's been a lot of pitching, a lot of ideas, and we now finally have the three lucky, well-deserved winners of this competition. Let's meet one of those winners right now. This is Stefan from TechnoCarbon, from the process manufacturing and equipment category. You're the winner. How does it feel to be a winner of this competition?
Hi Peter, thank you. Well, we were already honored to be selected among the 20 finalists, but really winning this prize is at the same time a great surprise, and also it adds credibility to our project, which is TechnoCarbon, and which brings sustainable technology to the advanced material manufacturing space. And what this enables is for us to be integrated in the big materials manufacturing community.
Absolutely, and listen, so for those of us that maybe weren't here at JEC World, give us a couple of sentences about exactly what you've got here and what it's all about.
Yeah, this is CarbonFibreStone, an advanced composite material made of stone, natural stone, and carbon fiber epoxy laminate. And what this yields is a new kind of stone which has the same properties as the best metallic alloys and can replace steel reinforced concrete. So it is important for the construction space, but also for the energy and the maritime space.
All right, so maritime, in different industries. Tell us more about the benefits of this. So what industries, how can businesses really benefit from this?
Well, it is equivalent in performance, but it is sustainable in two ways. First, it is low carbon immediately, and also in the long run, it has a much better lifetime, which means zero maintenance for centuries and a very low total cost of ownership.
Fantastic. So what does this mean, winning this? So again, JEC World is literally the heart and soul of the industry. Coming here, this is where the experts are, this is where those conversations take place. What does it mean to be here, but more specifically to be a winner?
Well, being a winner means that the jury, who are experts in the advanced material field, recognize that this is for real. Because, you know, often with these new technologies, people say, oh, it's too good to be true, we don't believe it. But now this adds credibility. So that's the first takeaway. The second takeaway is coverage, media coverage, and a lot of contacts, high-level contacts that we cannot make without this kind of event. And this has been our DNA from the start. Actually, TechnoCarbon was created in such a trade show and in several sustainability forums. So we've been doing this for 7 years now, because this is how the company was created, and this is how it is growing.
So essentially, when you started, you began, you came to an event like this. Well, not as big as this, obviously, but you came to an event.
It was big. It was COP23.
Right. So you were curious. You started conversations, and through those conversations, you got the inspiration to do what you're doing now, right?
Yes, I had an idea, so it was ideation. Ideation occurred in a space like this, just like we are developing new ideas with the other startups at the Startup Village, because this is also a great place to meet like-minded people who are trying to bring innovation to the industry.
We're going to go in now inside the Startup Booster area now, where all the other startups are as well. So again, over the last couple of days, this has been a very busy place, right? I've seen lots of people coming in, people that already have meetings already organised, but also people that are curious, and they're curious, they'd like to know more, they want to know really what those ideas are shaking up the industry. I guess it's been a very productive couple of days and lots of conversations for you, right?
Yeah, there are lots of people coming in, experts or just engineers or media journalists that know challenges and ask, how can you explain better your technology? What can it do for my company or for sustainability? So it's really a very nice practice for us to explain our technology and make it better known.
Okay, and lastly, last couple of questions now. For other startups that are in the composite industry, They've heard about JEC World, they've heard about Startup Booster. What advice would you give them in terms of maybe joining the program and being here for JEC World 2025? What would you say?
Well, send in your application, be motivated. It's a great space, it's a great opportunity for you to really meet other people, meet customers, potential investors, and finally turn your startup into a scale-up.
Okay, TechnoCarbon, what's your next steps? Next steps for TechnoCarbon, what's happening? What's in the future?
Industrialization, setting up our first experimental workshop. So it's a pilot manufacturing plant based in southern France, and selling to industrial demonstrators to industrial customers.